As you follow the asphalt turns from your house to your preferred off-road areas, you will experience an adrenaline rush. Turning the throttle on the KTM 690 ENDURO R without a trailer really makes itself known when the dirt road begins and the circuit becomes more challenging. The most recent electronics and WP XPLOR suspension complement its lightweight chassis, aggressive design, and reliable 690 LC4 engine. With this lightweight, high-performance king of versatility, conquer more difficult terrain. Lightweight pieces of premium chrome molybdenum steel tubing in a range of thicknesses are used to make trellis frameworks. High longitudinal flexibility, specifically absorbing the impact energies of the wheels, supporting the suspension, and providing high torsional stiffness for the greatest handling and riding. This sort of balanced frame style also supports the suspension to lessen cyclist fatigue. By creatively using the back gasoline tank as the major structural component of the subframe, weight is kept to a minimum and design complexity is reduced. Swing arm. A high degree of development is guaranteed by the swing arm fashion, which enables the best rear shock installation positions. The welded rocker arm's inherent weaknesses and inconsistencies are eliminated by the single-component casting technique. The WP XPLOR 48 inverted fork makes riding on difficult terrain simpler. WP and KTM first created the split fork concept for the KTM 690 ENDURO R for the EXC version. It has springs with distinct dampening capabilities on each side, compression on the left and rebound on the right. They don't affect each other negatively. As a result, the knobs on top of each of the fork tubes, which each have 30 adjustment clicks, make dampening adjustment simple. A connection connects the rocker arm with the WP XPLOR shock absorber. As a result, there is a strong resistance to rock bottom as well as an improving suspension nature. You may change the shock absorbers for every situation and riding choice because they are fully adjustable, including high and low speed compression. KTM Wheels combines the most strength with the least amount of weight by using lightweight CNC machined hubs and premium 21 inches and 18 inches rims. Continental TKC 80 tires, which provide great traction in a long service life, are mounted on the rims. The crucial mix of constant braking force and stopping feel is provided by lightweight corrugated discs featuring a 300 mm front and 240 mm rear diameter and class-leading Brembo braking system. The huge fuel tank can hold 13.5 liters of petrol. Additionally, because it supports the weight of the chassis, it is stiffer for the best feel and handling. The engines provide superb free spin characteristics, smooth engines running, and powerful acceleration even at low RPM. It is also extremely fuel efficient. A secondary balance shaft is operated by a timing chains, and the light and small cylinder head has 4 valves and a camshaft above the intake valves. The exhaust valve is controlled by a rocker arm, whereas the intake valve is operated by a finger follower. With less vibration and a better throttle response, the resonance chamber regulates the pulses at the inlet. For a smoother travel, 2 balancer shafts, one in front of the crankshaft and one in the cylinder head, lessen vibration. Forged pistons are strong and light, reducing reciprocating mass to enhance engine responsiveness. Conrads frequently employ bearings to ensure less changing mass, which makes the equipment run more smoothly and amplifies its lively nature. Due to less engine speed being delivered to the clutch plates, the power assist clutch makes sure that the rider needs to exert the least amount of effort to operate. The slipper clutch lowers rear wheel instability on asphalt while brakes suddenly or slowly into a turn by preventing the rear tire from locking during vigorous gear change. Whether you're in the thick of the actions, a smooth 6-speed transmission with Quickshifter Plus offers speedier up and down changes without a clutch. By keeping a firm hold on the handlebars, the driver is not only able to better manage the motorbike but also improve rear-wheel traction. This ride-by-wire technology on the KTM 690 ENDURO R analyzes the position of the throttle twist grip with the aid of electronic sensors and opens the throttle valve to manage throttle operation. This provides riders with improved throttle control from the strong single cylinder and a smoother travel, considerably improving responsiveness. Performance may be adjusted to meet driving circumstances thanks to electronic fuel injection and engine management. In addition to the advantages of technologies like MTC, motorcycle traction control, MSR, motor slip regulation, and Quickshifter Plus, the end result is greater and better regulated power, reduced fuel consumption, and fewer pollutants. Riders can modify the bike's features by choosing between two distinct mappings. For more effective combustion and consistently smoother, more regulated firing sequences, the twin-plug ignition system separately regulates the two different-sized spark plugs located in the cylinder head.